Hello, I'm Heather Darch, and this is a presentation by the Quebec Anglophone Heritage Network. In this series called Raising Spirits. Spirits.
Spirits.
Oh well, a car anyway. In this series called There's Too Many Cars Going By. Okay. Test 1, 2. Hi, I'm Heather Darch. On a lovely day. There's no bird sounds. Okay. Can I read that far? I cannot. I should have made it bigger. Okay. Okay, here we go. Take 1. Hi, I'm Heather Darch. No, the paper's moving.
I should have been holding it here.
Okay, here we go. Take 2. This is Scotch Road.
Great.
Okay, that was all right, eh? Woohoo! There you go. We like it, we can do it in 1 or 2 takes, eh? Okay, I'm just reading. We are in Quebec's Laurentians. I'm trying to change it up so I don't say the same thing every time. And enjoy its outdoor attractions. I'm going to say that outdoor attractions. Okay, I'm going to do it again.
Yeah.
19th century made it possible. Oh, jeez, my mouth is cold. This is Brittonville. Yeah? Is that smooth enough?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Try it again. It's all good. So, 'cause I'm just using
Laurentians.
the audio.
I don't know. It's like your mouth gets colder and colder, eh?
I get it. Yeah, no, I think you got it.
Okay. Cool, cool. 1 more to go. We're just waiting for cars. It's crazy. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is Ste-Agathe-des-Monts. Yay, all right.
Very good. Perfect.
Okay. Whew, those bugs. Okay, yeah.
I just have, do you have a little something under your glasses? Yep.
Got it? Thank you.
Yeah.
Good? Okay. Okay.
Can you read it?
I can, which is great. Have left behind sparse remainders. Nope. Shoot. I couldn't, because reminders. Sandra changed the word on me. And, have erased what once was in this small community. This is Shrewsbury. Okay, that sounded good. I faked the last bit because I couldn't remember what I was supposed to say, but I think it was okay. Okay, we'll open up the cashews.
Pull in my gut a little bit.
So I tell Allison, no hips, no.
Give me just a little blurb.
Okay, here I am on the edge of the big precipice overlooking the valley of St. Sever, hoping the land holds up. We don't have an earth tremor.
I hope it sounds better to you than it does to me. But
It's great. No, it's all good.
Bought the Colonial Inn. Oops, stop.
Yeah, sorry. We'll have to pause when there's a car. There shouldn't be too many, but.
Okay.
And in the 1950s, okay, from the original arrival of the train, the old hotels, is it all right to start? Yeah. Okay. The old hotels, that's a quiet car, probably electric. You don't want that in the background, sort of neat, eh? The boys will like it.
lots of traffic. When I lived here, 1 car a day was a big exciting thing. Oh, there was a car.
I think at some point we should take a break and go and take a look at the Laurentian Chest Hospital.
Okay.
What they call the SAN in Ste-Agathe. So you have that reference point.
Yeah, let's do that when we're done at the site, eh?
Yeah, I was saying that for recording.
Okay.
So, just...
Oh, you were saying that for the recording?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Well,
Okay,
you can play around with that,
shut
right?
up now.
Yeah, okay.
I'll just get you to start that whole phrase right over again because I was talking and then you started again, but it didn't make sense, so.
Okay, start over. Okay. Can you ask me the question again? No, never mind. I'm just teasing.
Describe
I'm just
the
teasing. I'm just
place,
teasing.
What you've learned about it.
I'm just teasing.
Okay.
Okay. The building that was here.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah. Wait for the septic truck to go by. He's got a stoplight. He's about to leave. Some poor bugger's following him. Usually trucks come two at a time, so I'm waiting for the other one to come up. But no, we're lucky this time.
Okay.
The new hospital here. Whoops. Keep on trucking. I told you there'd be a second truck. I thought we were going the other direction.
Okay. My grandparents came here. My grandfather came from London, England, basically via, no, scrap that. Okay.
We do that a lot.
He didn't come from London. He came from Leeds. Okay.
That's a bit more of the background. So I'll stop for a second. Yeah, you might want to get some of it out of there.
That's fine. I'll be able to.
Yeah, good clip. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, and cut.
Good chance to take a drink of water.
Oh, good idea. Because I think can you bring me my water so I can keep my footing?
Oh, yeah. You don't lose your spot.
Yeah, I sort of grew roots here. Thanks.
Little pause that the bugs are driving me nuts.
I know you have a little bug on your. There.
Oh, thank you.
Hang in there. Almost.
We do have bug spray though.
Oh, I have bug spray on.
Okay. Yeah. Right away to put into a sentence and
Yeah, I was thinking that's a good place to stop too. Okay. Oh, I'll have to move.
Yeah, you can.
Oh.
Bend your legs.
I forgot about them.
Oh, Joe, that was fabulous. Sandra, you rocked it.
I think that's good, Eileen.
Good, let's get out of the bugs.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a wrap.